In this video, I'm going to explain add chords. Using C as the example, a C add 2, an add 4, or an add 6 is commonly what we see. Sometimes we see 9, 11, and 13. But let's focus on the 2, 4, and the 6 first. A C add 2 simply adds a D note to the C chord. The original C triad of C, E, G now gets a D note that is second from the C. A C add 4 adds the note that is 4 from the original root note of C. That would be F. C, E, G, F would be C add 4. C add 6 would be C, E, G, A. Now, if you play your standard C major chord and you release the E note, that's your C add 2, because that D note is 2 tones from this original C note, including the C note. The C is the first tone, that D is the second tone. If we put that back down and you bring it back to the E and you play the D that's on the B string here at the 3rd fret, that D is 9 tones from this low C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tones away. And this D is the same as that one if you know your notes. So this D is 9 away from the original C. That's where we get the 9. We're adding a note to the triad that is not part of the triad. So we can't add 1, 3, 5, and 7 because they're already there. We're adding 2, 4, and 6. I hope that makes add chords a little easier for you to understand so that when you see one, you know exactly what you're looking at. You're looking at a triad plus another note that is not part of the triad. I hope this helps you reach your personal best. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.